This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon soup from Bendy and the ink machine, only way. Begin by rendering 6 strips of bacon until crisp, reserve fat, and chop roughly. Sauté chopped onion and garlic in bacon fat until translucent and fragrant to build depth. Add broth, simmer with herbs, then stir in milk for creaminess. Finish with crispy bacon bits on top and a sprinkle of smoked paprika to taste. Start by frying the bacon to crisp perfection, then chop and reserve for garnish. Use the rendered fat to sauté onion and garlic until golden, releasing rich aroma. Pour in 4 cups of broth and add thyme and bay leaf, simmering for 15 minutes to meld flavors. Reduce heat, stir in milk or cream for a silky texture, then adjust salt and pepper. Top the soup with reserved bacon and serve warm. To deepen the soup, add smoked paprika and a touch of Worcestershire for umami balance. Taste as you go and add milk gradually until the soup reaches the silkiness you prefer without thinning it too much. Brighten the bowl with a small squeeze of lemon or a dash of vinegar to lift the flavors. Garnish with chopped parsley or crispy bacon bits for contrast, and serve with crusty bread for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.